Only last month, we reported that the number of paid subscribers to the streaming music service Apple Music reached 38 million people, and now Apple has reported that 40 million paid subscribers have been picked up. This was announced by Apple's Vice President Oliver Schusser, to whose responsibilities they recently added management of the service. In a message from The Verge, Apple confirmed that, in its new position as Vice President for Apple Music and International Content, Schusser will report to Eddie Q, Apple's Senior Vice President of Software. He will also be responsible for developing the App Store and iTunes services outside the United States. Prior to that, Schusser was in charge of launching the App Store, iTunes Store, and iBooks in foreign markets, and also entered into deals with foreign music labels, studios and publishers. Considering Apple's efforts to expand Apple Music outside the United States, appointing Schusser to the position of chapter seems like a logical step. As for Apple Music, the previous significant milestone, 30 million paid subscribers, overtook the music service in September last year. That is, a little more than 6 months it took the service to attract another 10 million paid subscribers, and 2 million of them were added only last month. Of course, the growth rate of Apple Music is impressive, and they are higher than the current leader Spotify, 5% per month against 2%. But even with such high growth rates, the previous forecast that this summer Apple Music will pass Spotify on the number of paid subscribers seems completely unrealistic. Recall from Spotify, which recently went public, as of the beginning of this year, more than 150 million users, of which more than 70 million of whom pay a subscription. Spotify expects the user base to exceed 200 million by the end of the year. It remains to add that today Apple Music surpasses Spotify by the size of the library, 40 million songs against 30 million.